Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. First of all, I'm going to apologise I haven't been around. As you can hear, if you know my normal voice, this isn't my normal voice right now. My voice has literally been gone for, it will be 3 weeks on Friday, so it's just like 2.5 weeks now I've not had a voice. This is actually the best it's been this whole entire time. I really want to get this video up. I feel like I've been delaying it, but I physically haven't been able to film. So I'm going to do my best today to try and film. I've got a load of Madam Glam products to show you. They look absolutely beautiful. I'm really looking forward to diving into them with you. So I'm going to bite the bullet and do it. I'm currently filming in my kitchen as well, so the audio might sound a bit weird because me being the idiot I am, I took my son to school this morning. He ain't got to school, it's teacher's training day. So my plan was to film this video as soon as I dropped off to school, but he's home from school now, so I set up all my stuff on the breakfast bar in the kitchen, just so that I keep an eye on him while I was filming, rather than being locked away in my nail room. But yeah, I've got a load of Madam Glam products to show you. Apologies to Madam Glam for the delay, but I'm going to try my best. So yeah, I'm not going to waffle too much. Let's crack on. So this is coming really handy actually. They've sent me this to try out, which is their new little portable lamp. It's absolutely godsend actually, because it's meant I've not had to take my big one out of my nail room. But this one, look at this. It's all shiny and new. Ready? How cute is that? It looks like a really good little lamp actually. I didn't actually know they were selling this to me, but I'm buzzing about it. Like I said, it works out really well today with this video. So this is what I'll be using. It's powered by USB. It's got a micro USB adaptation on it. Quite a good size lead actually. Obviously I can't show you full length on camera, but you can see when it's rumbled up, it's a good size lead. Got a little socket on the back there. You plug in. And I won't turn around and show you the lights just because it's really bright in it, but you can see it's really bloody bright. Yeah, you can sort of see the blue. So yeah, that's what I'll be using today. So there is currently a sale on these little mini lamps. They are currently at $17.95, which is a good little price for a little lamp like this. It's a 36 watt LED lamp. It's got 12 different lights in it. It does 60 seconds or 120 seconds, and it's suitable for all kinds of gels, builders and poly gels. And like as you would have seen, it's got the interior mirror, which is for even like distribution, but it does say to remove the blue foil before using. I really do apologise. I know my voice sounds really awful. I really hope you guys can bear with me through this. I just feel bad for not posting, and also don't want to let Madam Glam down. I love Madam Glam products and I don't want to let them down. So I thought I better sit my ass down and get this review on the way. And like I said, I do apologise for any background noises too. I will try and edit them out where I can. So let's dive in. They have given me a soak off no wipe top coat and a soak off base coat. I have shown these in previous videos. They are really good. I really like all of Madam Glam's products. I'll talk about this in every video anyway, but it's my camera fixing. Yeah, they're vegan, cruelty free. They've got a 21 free formula. They are palm oil free and hammer free. They are like the best formula you can possibly get for a gel polish. They are 15mm size, which is a really good size as well. These last me for ages. Can you guys see? Sort of see the formula. It's a really, really nice formula. It applies really evenly. I'm only going to use it on one swatch stick, so I don't like to waste it. I don't feel I need to use base coat on swatch sticks, but I will just apply a coat to sort of demonstrate to you. But it applies so smooth and so beautifully. It cures like a dream. It's got a nice tacky layer which you want with a base coat. There's not really a lot to see, but they are really, really nice. I use these frequently, and I'm very grateful they sent me some more because it's what I tend to reach for pretty much every time I do nails. Right, let's dive into some colours. So we've got this one here, which is a blue. It is called Matty. There's a little sort of idea. They've all got such a lovely, lovely formula. They are my favourites. I've got quite a collection of Madam Glam now, and I absolutely love them. Like, look at the pigment. Like I said, they're a great formula, so you know they're like safe to be using. And they're just so pigmented, you really, really, really can't fault them. They go so far because you do not need much. A lot of gel polishes you need a few coats of to get that opaque look, but with Madam Glam you don't. As you can see yourselves, like that's one coat, and as you can see that's fully opaque, gives full coverage. It's absolutely perfection. But yeah, that's Matty. This is the next one. It's a lovely sort of like toned down green. It's called Walk in the Park. That's what the swatch colour looks like. And again, as you can see, it's fully opaque. I'm obsessed. I love my Madame Glam polishes so much. I've been reaching for them. I've got so much gel polish. But honestly, I can name various different brands that I use and love. But honestly, Madame Glam has very quickly become my favourite. I've found myself reaching for their products so much. They're great for just doing normal gel nails, or they're great for even painting with, like doing like freehand nail art and stuff. They're perfect. Look at that colour. Next up we have got the Perfect Gold, and that's like a pure, that's like proper gold. Like, you know how you get like real gold, they get fool's gold. This is the colour of actual real gold. Fool's gold's like more of an off-tone gold. Yeah, this looks beautiful. I've got hair on my swatch stick, love that. Look at it. It is literally liquid gold in it. It's perfect. It is the real definition of a gold. I love that. I don't actually think I have another gold like this. A lot of my golds I've got are really off golds. They don't look like genuine, like a proper gold colour. And it's not like heavily streaky, because I find all metallics are a little bit streaky, but some of them are really heavily streaky. This one in. But there we go. That's definition. That looks more like fool's gold. That is what real gold looks like. Isn't it so bright and vibrant? I love it. Next up we have got this orange, which is called Pumpkin Pie. And we are actually going to be doing some Halloween nail art today. So it's obviously very suiting. It's quite a deep orange. I've got a couple of their oranges. This is a nice deep one. All the others are quite bright. So it's nice to have like a deeper tone one. This looks stunning. It's perfect for autumn as well. It's like literally the perfect autumnal colour. How's everyone been anyway? Hope you've all been okay. Hope you've all been doing better than I have anyway. I literally started off with a simple cold. And the cold lasted about a week. It went away. I've been fine on that front. Still a little bit congested, but like nothing major. But yeah, I've literally had like next to no voice for like 2.5 weeks now. Yeah, it's been pretty awful. I can't really do any high pitched notes. So I just sound quite masculine. And I actually went for a few days where I was virtually mute. And there was virtually no sound coming out my mouth at all, no matter how hard I tried. Doctors refused to help. But it's right, it is getting better. It is slowly getting better day by day. Look at that colour. That's very different. I really do not have another colour like that, I don't think. This one looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at that colour. This one's called Office Gossip. Really, really nice looking purple. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous purple. Trying to think of what nail art to do. So I want to do Halloween and sort of, that was my plan. I've got a few colours here and I want to try and like incorporate all the colours into one set, but I'm not too sure yet. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do. I'm just going to have to wing it. I think I'm just going to do like a typical Halloween pumpkins and you know, that sort of thing. I'm really gutted. I really wanted to do more Halloween nail art this year. I was really excited, but I've just been too ill. I haven't been able to. But again, look how pretty that is. Okay, we've got this next one. This one actually makes me sad seeing the name on this. We Were on a Break. This is from the Friends series that they do. This is Monday today, Monday the 30th for filming this. Obviously, Matthew Perry, who played Chandler in Friends, sadly passed away a couple of nights ago. Shame, because I grew up. The first ever episode of Friends actually was released the day I was born. And my mum always used to watch Friends when I was growing up, and I always do. It's quite a regular thing for me to fall asleep to, watching TV at bedtime. I absolutely love Friends. And yeah, I'm so gutted Matthew Perry's passed away. Bless him. Yeah, very, very, very sad. I don't think it's going to be the same watching Friends anymore. Brilliant programme. It's one of those, I've watched it hundreds of times, but it never fails to make me laugh. I love each and every character. I couldn't pick a favourite. I love them all so much. Yeah, that's that one. It's quite a deep brown colour. Almost it's black. But it's called We Were on a Break. And again, very pigmented. Okay, the last one I've got to show you is this gorgeous looking grey. It's called Cashmere Gray. They apply really smooth as well. As you guys can see, I don't really need to talk because you guys can see very nice how lovely these apply. But yeah, what am I going to do? I think I'm not even going to really plan out a set. I think I'm just going to start painting and see where I end up. But yeah, that's the final one, Cashmere Gray. Okay, so I'm going to top coat them all, just show you them how they look matte and glossy. I've dug out my velvet matte top coat. I love this top coat. I'm going to do half and half. I'll just do one on camera with you, and I'll do the rest off camera, so I can show you guys what they look like matte and glossy. But this matte top coat is brilliant. I literally have been using this continuously as well. Again, 15ml bottle. It applies really lovely, and it's really nice and matte. It's gorgeous. I'll show you in a sec anyway. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, that's a gorgeous matte look. There's actually no shine to it. It is perfect. Alright, so let's have a look now. We've got the soak off wipe. Not wipe top coat. Good bottle smell. Always very tightly secured, which is what you want, especially when they're being shipped. Yeah, let's give this, as I like to do. I managed to knock the brown onto the blue when I was curing. That's what that is on the side of the swatch stick. But I like to do this just so you guys can see what they look like matte and glossy. But I'm just going to do the rest off camera, and okay, that is all the colours swatched. Like I said, sorry about that, I scratched out like hell putting that in the lamp next to all the other swatch sticks. That's all colours that I've swatched today. They're beautiful, aren't they? And I think I know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do like a sort of skull Halloween flowery, like floral kind of set of nails. I've dug out my Perfect Black as well, because I feel like I'm going to use that too. But yeah, I think I know what I'm going to do nail wise. That lamp works absolutely fantastic as well, by the way. Really happy with that. That's godsend right now. But yeah, I'm going to save my voice a bit, because the more I talk, the more it deteriorates. And I'm going to do some nail art. I'll just go back on some music, and I'll do some nail art for you guys with all these new colours. And I'll be back at the end to show you the final design. But yeah, enough of my annoying voice for the moment. So hey guys, that is the end result. They're really rushed, so it's obviously not my best of work. I know I could do better, but it's a bit of a rush video. But I'm still quite happy with how it turned out anyway. Those gel polishes are absolutely lovely to work with. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you think of the design. It's quite cute. And it's not just Halloween either, like, they're really nice fall colours, and I feel like if you're into that sort of thing, you can wear this all year round anyway, can't you? But yeah, that is it for today's video. I'm not going to talk too much just because my voice is a little bit croaky and I'm getting a bit of a sore throat. But I do have a discount code for Madam Glam, which is SammyJ35. That will get you 35% off all your orders. That is linked in the description box of all of my videos. But yeah, thank you ever so much to Madam Glam for sending these out to me. I absolutely love them. And thank you very much to all of you guys for watching this video. Very much appreciated. I do apologise for the way I'm sounding. Hopefully next time you hear my voice, it won't be sounding quite as croaky. But yeah, anyways, I hope you all have a great day, whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!